I'm gonna remake this link. It goes to the 3-point conversion hitch on the D17. Anyway, I broke it, so let's get a little casting number on it. Let's see that. Anyway, it's kind of been stretched out over time. Eventually just snapped, and of course I was not being too careful with it, so jump steel out here. Push that steel. Close. Let's see if this works any better. Finally. Well, that was painful to do. All these chunks of steel I never do anything with, but when it comes time to use them, I don't want to. So anyway, all right. Guess we'll start. I guess I'll start with poking a. This needs to be about 1 1/8 inch wide, because this is I want to say 5/8 pin and a 1 inch hole. Wouldn't have left me with a lot of thickness, so I couldn't just use 1 inch plate, which I did have, so I cut it out of this chunk of steel. 9/16 in the middle there. I don't know, are we going down 9/16? Yeah, probably so. Not for sure what's the best. Okay. Alright, so here's this piece. Actually drilled seemingly straight. Sometimes I've chucked stuff up like that and had it, you know, like that. It'll drill straight through like that, but the wall thickness looks pretty good here. So I think I got a lot of meat there. Now, drill this. Find the center of that. Alright, let's see here. Drill me a little. I'll get it a little further down. Okay. Dang, I can't even see. Okay, there's 5/16 and 5/16. 16ths. Okay, that's pretty good. So if I put it right there, kind of where I'm aiming. Okay, I got all the surfaces cleaned up, and anyway, make sure everything's nice and square and flat, and it'll give me the best, straightest hole I can get out of this. I mean, this is not professional, this is farm machining. So we got her centered up here, so we'll just start making our hole. Okay, it's a little too wide. I'll get her shaped up and a little bit closer to this, and probably incorporate this little rotating feature like the original. Shaping up all right. It's not, you know, real equal, real even, but I've kind of got it, you know, pretty good. I made this, I was remaking these ears in here to get this rotation for the bars, so I just double stacked a couple of blades, or a couple of cutoff wheels, and I think that'll give me a good thickness. Yeah, that's, that ought to be good. Good enough. Alright. Carrying on. Yeah, I probably could. It's not, you know, it's not bad. Not great, not bad. Alright, got 3.75 here. Found me a 5/8 zinc plated shaft I didn't know I had. Mark it up. Get it cut down. Alright, here's the finished link. Got a little bit of swing to it. Just stuck a 1/8 inch roll pin in there, so get it bolted up and call her done. Got this longer bolt. Works out because it's mostly shaft now instead of threads. I'll have to drop that lever. The bolt works, but it really needs to be pinned like the other side. That way it's not clamping down, it's just kind of loosely. So this is how I've got it. There we go. All right. Okay. Another job done. Well, I might have to put that the other way. I might have to watch that. That may not go that way. It actually may come up and hit that. I'm going to swap that around. All right. Pretty good. Should be a pin, because even the head's kind of